upper 70s, but really a comfortable day, almost perfect if you had anything to do outdoors today. Now, we've had some clouds increase this afternoon. High, thin clouds, a little bit thicker, showing up in the Cheshire, Massachusetts camera. It's a high overcast now at the Bedard Brothers dealership. Now, we know it's been a frustrating month of May. A lot of wet weather, a lot of rainy days. Let's check in with the mobile storm tracker meteorologist Jordan Dew. No umbrella today, but you're going to depress us by showing us how many days it's rained during the month of May, but you also have some good news.
Yes, absolutely, Cap. I couldn't say it better myself. So we have to, unfortunately, depress ourselves for a little bit when we take a look back at the month so far, including today. Albany has only seen, ready for this, 6 totally dry days of the month. And even though we've only seen a couple of days where we've had a trace, they haven't been complete washouts. So that's the good news. But taking a look at how much rainfall we've already accumulated so far, about 5.74 inches. Now that puts us roughly 3 inches above the average for this point in the month. So hardly any of these days were complete washouts. Notice many of the days just brought a light trace or so of rain to the Albany area. Other nearby areas were hit harder. Just yesterday is an example. While Albany only saw a couple of light showers, parts of the Mohawk Valley and even Schenectady did experience some pretty hefty downpours and small hail, pretty short-lived. But looking ahead, here's when the good news comes in. The rain isn't quite done yet for this week, but we could tack on a little bit more rain before we close out the month. However, relief may be on the way. The Climate Prediction Center's 8 to 14-day outlook does have us below average for receiving any precipitation. So that could mean a much-needed break from the wet weather, and hopefully that means that we've turned a corner and can finally start expecting a more summer-like feel. For now, Cap, we'll send it back inside to you.
Jordan, thank you for the light at the end of the tunnel. We need like 2 weeks of no rain. Just give me 2 weeks to finally dry out. And I don't want to hear the word drought. We're not in a drought now, that's for sure. 78 Clifton Park, 75 East Greenbush Freehold, Ghent 74, 68 at Peru, Williamstown at 74. Up to the north, mid-70s Indian Lake, Queensbury 83. That seems a little bit warm. 73 in Manchester and 75 in Ballston Spa. Warmer day today. Yesterday low 70s. Today upper 70s. This veil of high clouds increasing, but this rain should not make much progress northward. What will happen is these clouds may actually move over us tonight, and we may get into a little bit of sun briefly tomorrow morning. Then this system comes up Wednesday night and Thursday with a band of rain and some showers. Of more significance will be a system coming out of Western Canada. That will arrive on Saturday, Friday night, Saturday. This could be more significant rain. So another weekend, and you guessed it, another threat of rain. The streak continues. Futurecast tonight, high clouds. Notice how they thin out at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Then it clouds back up again. There's that band of showers to the south and west of Binghamton by 5 p.m. Those will creep northward tomorrow night. Not a lot of rain, some rain into Thursday morning. And then we may have a few breaks of sun Thursday afternoon with just the chance of a couple of scattered showers. So the first system, not a real wet system. High tomorrow, 75 Albany, Glens Falls 76, Johnstown 74, mid-70s Manchester to North Adams, Pittsfield at 72. And for Thursday, upper 60s to near 70, 70 in Albany, 72 Hudson, 68 Bennington, and Lake Pleasant at 67. Our forecast for tonight, mild, a dry night, a low near 53. For tomorrow, mostly cloudy, a mild day. It should stay dry. High near 75. Showers coming in at night. Thursday, some rain or showers, especially in the morning. Skies brighter in the afternoon near 70. Friday, mostly cloudy, mostly dry, mid-70s. Friday night, Saturday, rainy, about 64 on Saturday. Some sun, breezy, slight chance of a shower, 66 Sunday. Monday looks good. Tuesday looks good, partly sunny, a high of 78. John?